Hello everyone, welcome to this fun and easy crochet coaster tutorial. Coasters are perfect for protecting your surfaces while adding a handmade touch to your home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, you've got this. I'm so excited to guide you through this project step by step. If you enjoy this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more creative projects. Let's get started. For round 1, we're starting with a magic ring. Make 12 double crochets or DC into that ring. Once you're done, pull the tail to close it up and slip stitch to join. Amazing job! You've just laid the foundation for your coaster. Tip: keep your tension even for a nice, tight circle. Next, for round 2, we're adding some texture. Work a single crochet or SC, then chain 3. Repeat this pattern, SC, 3 chains 12 times around. You're doing great. This round adds a lovely airy feel. Tip: count your stitches to ensure you have 12 repeats. For round 3, let's build it up. Into each chain 3 space from the last round, work a double crochet, chain 1, then another double crochet. Repeat this, DC, chain 1, DC, 12 times total. Look at that shape forming. You're halfway there. Tip: keep your chains loose for easier stitching later. Moving to round 4, we're mixing it up. Start with a single crochet, chain 2, then make 2 unfinished double crochets, leave them on the hook, and chain 2 again. Repeat this 12 times around. Fantastic work. It's taking shape now. Tip: don't pull too tight on those unfinished stitches. For round 5, here's where it gets fun. Begin with 2 unfinished double crochets, chain 2, then a single crochet. Next, chain 2, 2 unfinished DC, chain 2, and an SC. Repeat that second part 11 times, then finish with chain 2 and a slip stitch. You're a rock star. Look at that detail popping. Tip: use a stitch marker to track your repeats. Next up, round 6. In each space, work 2 unfinished double crochets, chain 3, then 2 more unfinished DC, followed by another chain 3. Repeat this 12 times around. You're crushing it. This round gives your coaster that gorgeous edge. Tip: keep your chains consistent for a uniform look. For our final round 7, let's finish strong. Work a double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, then a single crochet, repeat that cluster 5 times in the first space. Then, do this whole pattern 12 times around. Wow, you did it! Your coaster looks stunning. Tip: Weave in your ends neatly for a polished finish. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade coaster. I'm so proud of you for crocheting along with me. If you love this project, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Share your creations with me in the comments. I'd love to see them. Happy crocheting!